July is coming to an end, and that means we can reflect on some of the best Android apps to hit the Play Store. Let's not waste any time, let's get started. Pokemon Go is the first app on our list because it is sweeping the nation. It is sweeping multiple nations, actually. It has absolutely blown up in popularity during the month of July. It has over 50 million downloads on Android alone. If you've been living under a rock, basically you play as a Pokemon trainer and you walk around the physical world catching Pokemon. There's an AR, augmented reality aspect to this game as well, as the Pokemon are placed onto the real world through your smartphone screen. There are teams, Mystic, Valor, and Instinct, hashtag Team Instinct for the win, and you level up your Pokemon and battle other people at gyms. It's pretty fun. ASAP Launcher is a launcher that puts a modern twist on the Google Now launcher, I think. Everything is done through swipes. You swipe to the right to reveal your contacts, which are sorted via frequently contacted. You swipe to the left and you have cards. In my case, I have a calendar card and a to-do list card. You swipe up and you'll see access to your most recent applications. Tap on the list icon and you'll see all your applications. There's even Google support up front and center. So if you like that Google voice activation support there, you have that. Overall, this is a very clean launcher. I highly recommend it. Lexa is an app that allows you to talk to the Amazon Alexa voice assistant without actually buying an Echo. While I think it's best for developers, it can give others a good idea as to what to expect from the Echo in terms of voice support. What's also pretty neat is that once you link it up to your Amazon account, you can use this app to control your Echo, specifically control your various smart appliances that are linked to your Echo. So from that standpoint, I think this app is pretty useful. Wally is a creative wallpapers app that features art from a community of talented artists. What's especially cool to know is that artists will be supported for their work. The site will actually pay them a percentage of their earnings. But in terms of how the wallpapers look, that's subjective, but in my opinion, they look pretty great. I was able to find some very appealing wallpapers, just within a few minutes from searching the app. PlayStation Vue is one of a handful of services to offer live streaming TV. The service has been on Roku and PlayStation, but has finally made its way to Android. You can live stream TV, movies, and sports without a cable or satellite subscription. It's kind of a lot like Sling TV, if you ever heard of that service. You get 55 plus channels for $30 and as many as 100 plus channels for $45 a month. So if you're looking to cut your cable bill, you might want to look into PlayStation Vue or Sling TV for that matter. Shapist is a visually appealing puzzle game that involves sliding around 2D blocks. As much as I like over-the-top 3D games, it's nice to see something so simple here. There are no timers, no tutorials, no words, no punishment. You just got yourself and 75 puzzles to complete. Go give it a shot. I think it's pretty fun. Swiftmoji Keyboard is an app that gives you emoji based off what you say. It's from the makers of SwiftKey. It's a lot like Dango, which I use daily. Instead of suggested apps floating around your screen, the suggested emojis are contained to a row right above the keyboard here. So as you're typing, it'll suggest emoji to you. Now, regardless of which emoji prediction app you have, in general, I recommend having one because they can save you a lot of time searching through lists or rows upon rows of emoji. Notification Manager will essentially stack notifications on top of each other, thus cleaning up unwanted notifications so you can have more leisure time. You know how you get those notifications that you just can't really swipe away? They just stay on your notification panel in case you need to tap on them or use them, but you never really do? Well, this app will take all those notifications and pile them up to free up some space. You can choose which apps will notify you and which apps you want to not disturb you and so forth. If you find your notification panel cluttered, you might want to check out Notification Manager. Prisma is a highly popular photo editing app that first debuted for iOS and has finally made its way to Android. It's a lot like Instagram. You have the option to take a photo and then you scroll through filters to apply the filter to your photo. But what separates this app from the others is that this app turns your photos into a work of art. Literally, your photos will look like paintings. They are absolutely beautiful. My only complaint here is just how long it takes for each filter to load and be applied to your photo. It can take some time. Rolling Sky is the last app on the list. It's super fun. All you do is really swipe a ball around the screen to dodge obstacles. There is some jumping involved and power-ups and all sorts of extras. It seems pretty easy enough, but it's actually very tough. The controls are pretty touchy, so it's not hard to run into an obstacle and lose, but that just makes you want to try again and sink more time into this game. So with that last one, those are 10 of the best Android apps to hit the Play Store in the month of July 2016. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below letting everyone know which app is your favorite, As always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDag.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you right back here in the next one. See ya.